Welcome to another weekly video. As always, transparently, I'm sharing my closed trades, open trades, and making the update of the week. So, a little bit of numbers. I start these weekly videos in August 1st, 2025. My goal is profiting $200,000 with options trading by August 1st in 2026, which is in 1 year. Right now, I'm in 7 months and my profit is $101,000. My win rate out of 217 total trades is 91%. My monthly average profit is around $13,000 and my weekly profit is around $3,000. So giving the number updates. So let's jump into the trades of the week. So last week my profit was $14,000, but this week I closed the week with a $2,600 loss. So I closed 5 trades this week. I didn't open anyone and just close my put credit spreads. So let me show you them. I will click this week 2 and it will go to my trades here. As you can see, I have 5 put credit spreads closed this week. 2 of them was Microsoft and 1 S&P Global, Visa, and Robinhood. So I closed one of Microsoft in a little bit of profit, and I had in couple of them expiration in April 17, which is 1 month in the future. So I had time. Normally I close my put credit spreads around like last 3 weeks, 2 weeks. But considering current situation with the oil, with the war, with the Fed is not cutting the rates anytime soon, and these are kinda very much related to the interest rate. So even though I have time, I didn't want to wait for a max loss potentially because like I have here like 3 contracts, for example, in S&P Global, like 10 white put credit spread. So it means I have 1,000 maximum loss with 1 contract. So I have 3. So I might lose $3,000. So let me show quickly what was my open thesis behind them. For example, Microsoft, I opened it on 13 January. So 13 January was here. It was going around like 30 stochastic and it went down from the Bollinger Band and RSI was around 40. It is kind of my usual opening for put credit spreads. So as you can see, like it touched to lower Bollinger Band, it bounced back. It touched lower Bollinger Band, it bounced back. So it's what Bollinger Band says actually. Like 90% of time, it will stay in the Bollinger Band. So, but like not always, it's not some magical formula or something like stochastic RSI, lower Bollinger Band. So things can go wrong in the market. Next day, it went so much down, like 10% in 1 day, and it didn't recover from there. I have still 2 LEAPS contracts open with Microsoft. I think 3. Um, I'm going to wait for them. They are like 2028 expiration dates, but right now in short term, I didn't see any rebouncing anytime soon. So before reaching to maximum loss, I just want to close them. So again, Visa and S&P Global was very similar. I opened the trades around here and the RSI was like 20, 30 levels and stochastic was even like 10 levels. So, but as you can see, like after a little bit up here in the following week, it went so much down and it didn't recover, even though I have some time. So I just want to take my loss. And S&P Global was similar. I opened my trades here. I was expecting a little bit bounce back after the earnings. So that's why I opened my trades here as soon as touched to the stochastic indicator. So, but after earning, it went even more down, and right now it is below my open price. So that's why I'm in the loss. So, and I didn't want to wait another bounce because in this, because like Fed is not going to rate cut in anytime soon, and there's no earning. So like S&P Global company is a little bit slow, not like the big names like Nvidia or Google or Amazon. They don't make big jumps with some deals or something. So that's why I didn't want to see any bounce in the future. So I want to cut my loss and exit again. And Robinhood, here I open my trade on 20 January, was around here. Again, it touched to stochastic on 20, and RSI went down from 40s and lower Bollinger Band, and it was touching also 200 moving average. Like I mentioned in my old videos, it is kind of a standard entry point for me. And as you can see in the past, whenever it touched the lower Bollinger Band and it bounced back, but yeah, this time it didn't for over a month. So that's why I didn't want to wait any time longer. So yeah, like lose are in the part of the game. So we just need to take them and continue with the other trades. I'm happy where I am right now with my trades. Like out of 200 wins, I have like 19 losses, which is normal. So I will see in the next following weeks. So right now I'm thinking not to open any put credit spreads with even like 2-3 months in the future, because yeah, these times with the war and the oil and the Fed news, so I can't see any short-term good news for the market, or I'm just being so cautious about my investments. So that's why I'm not going to open new put credit spreads or leaps. I just want to see a few more weeks. Meanwhile, I'm searching a few names like FedEx, UPS, and some chemical companies which is related to oil prices, because I'm seeing oil prices is going to go down even more. Like I miss maybe the chances for airline companies, but still like there are like oil related companies like transportation companies and some chemical companies. Indirectly oil prices is actually affecting their expenses a lot. FedEx and UPS, for example, right now in my short list. So I'm going to follow them a little bit, a few weeks, to understand their dynamics a little more, because I haven't trade with them before. So yeah, these weeks I'm just observing the market, observing the news, and checking other opportunities for call credit spreads or call debit spreads in the market. So that is my next week plan and previous week close trades. Let me know if you have any questions about my trades or about my tool here, trading journal tool. It is completely free. You can access from the description link, so you can log your trades and see some cool analytics. And there's nice watch list feature here. You can see the stocks below 200 moving average, below RSI or Bollinger Bands. And there's like earning calendars for your watch list. There's some simulators in Leaps contracts. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and see you next week.